Alrighty, this is Jerry Diamond with How to Get Out of Babylon. This is part 2 of my homegrown do-it-yourself experiment. I got cigarettes stuck in the holes there. Easy way to smoke it up. So now I can kind of see the laser beam. Okay, so let me move that over a little bit. Alright, so there's our globe. Alright. So I'm going to start at a high angle on this side of it. Now, obviously, given this scenario, I can hit the other side from here, but it's still going to give you a weird, let's say the sun was 93 million miles away. Ha, ha, ha. We're going to go into that. Pythagorean theorem proves that totally incorrect. So on this side of it, okay, I'm hitting on the near side. You can see that. So I'm going to put the camera in there. And we'll get an idea. I've got it about a 45-degree angle. Okay. So that is hitting. See, I can't quite see the reflected laser. I can see the laser on this side, but not on the other. So it's hitting about 10, 12 inches up. Okay. So now let's, I gotta watch let's move that light on the other side, just so I can get some ambient light in there. You can kind of see what's going on. All right, now I'm going to bring it down to about 30 degrees, and it is lower. So I'm not going to try to hit it 20 degrees, and it's lower. Still way up in the air though. I mean, it's a lot higher than what I'm aiming it at. And then I'm going to bring it down to, let's say, it's just barely over the horizon. And you see where it's hitting there, okay? So one of these little reflector mirrors is a good way to do this. See that? Now if I bring it down to just right at horizontal horizon, it's still way up in the air, okay? That's what it'd be doing. Don't care how big your surface is of the earth, it's still going to bounce up into the air, space, whatever you want to call it. Now, like I said, if the sun were 93 million miles away, I could hit on the far side of there. I think you can see that. There's a false image, which is actually what's picking it up off of the wall. Okay. See that? I'm at, let's say I'm at, start back up at 45. See how low that is? Okay. And then as the sun sets, I'm trying to hold it right at the edge of the mirror. See, it's coming down, but very slowly. And it's hard now. I see at this point, I can't even hit that far side. See, I can hit center, but I cannot hit anything on the far side of that mirror. I'm just shooting straight across the top there. See, and there you can see the infinity. See that, the streak there? That's what would be happening. Okay, I'm hitting many places through the surface of that mirror, and the sunlight would actually be split and diffused or diffracted into multiple places. You would not have a glow to your feet. Okay, so again, see, I'm at 45 degrees now, and you see where it is? It's right on the wall there. Actually, the higher it goes, it probably would get lower to the ground because it's hitting it at a more acute angle. See that? I can't go any higher because I've got the box there holding smoke in, which isn't really helping a lot. You can see a little bit. Yeah, you can see a little bit of the laser. So you see, this just totally blows the sphere out of the water. There is no sphere out there. Sorry, but you know, this absolutely nails it. And it's a simple experiment anybody can do. You can use a, you know, like I said, a thing like that, or you can get a, rig like that. Okay. Here's the cool thing about it is, I got 3 of those for $12. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut one of them up into like playing card size pieces, or even business card. You can carry that in your wallet or in your purse. Anytime you see a scene like that, you can just whip it out and say, look, watch this. Okay, and here's the deal is, this was what originally got me onto this, or, you know, got to thinking about a way to show this. Whew.